Hey GadInsider fam! Ever wished your budget Samsung phone could pull off those epic slow-motion shots like the flagship Galaxy S series? Well, buckle up because Samsung's bringing the heat to the Galaxy A36 and A56 with a brand new AI slow-motion feature. Stick around to find out how to unlock this game-changing tool and level up your video game. Let's dive in. Here's the deal. Samsung's Galaxy S phones have been flexing their AI slow-motion feature for a while, letting you create cinematic slow-mo clips right from the gallery or video player. But if you're rocking a Galaxy A series, you've been missing out until now. Samsung's rolling out this awesome feature to the Galaxy A36 and A56 through the Galaxy Enhance X app. No Galaxy AI suite? No problem. For those who don't know, the Galaxy Enhance X app is Samsung's secret weapon for budget phones. It's a one-stop shop for AI-powered media magic, like removing blur, killing reflections, or adding creative edits to your photos and videos. And now, with the latest update, it's got the AI slow motion feature that's going to make your videos pop. Here's how it works. Open the Galaxy Enhance X app on your A36 or A56, head to the slow-mo section, and pick a video from your gallery. Want to make a specific moment super dramatic? Just tap and hold on the screen and boom, the app slows it down, trims it, and saves it as a slick slow-mo clip right to your gallery. You can even pull 3 different slow-mo shots from a single video. How cool is that? Here's a pro tip. If you don't see the slow-mo feature, make sure your Enhance X app is updated to version 15.2.17 in the Galaxy Store. Oh, and this feature is exclusive to Samsung's latest 5G phones for now, so the A36 and A56 are in the spotlight. Sorry, older models. Now, the Galaxy A36 and A56 only come with what Samsung calls awesome intelligence. Cute name, but it's a bit light on media tools compared to the full Galaxy AI suite. And that's where Enhance X steps in, giving budget buyers like us access to cutting-edge AI tech without needing a flagship phone. It's like Samsung saying, we've got you. So if you've got a Galaxy A36 or A56, go fire up the Enhance X app and start creating those jaw-dropping slow-mo videos. Trust me, your TikToks and Reels are about to hit different. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on the latest tech, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more GadInsider goodness.